Do you find yourself constantly attracting the wrong people? Whether it's toxic friends, unsupportive partners, or negative colleagues, the people who drain your energy rather than uplift you. The truth is, the people around you may be a reflection of something you're doing or not doing in your life. Why you're attracting the wrong people. Research shows that 80% of the people you surround yourself with mirror your own self-worth. If you're attracting people who treat you poorly or leave you feeling drained, it may be because you haven't set clear enough boundaries, or you might not be valuing yourself as you should. Recognizing this is the first step in breaking the pattern. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why this happens, what you can do to change it, and how to start attracting the right people into your life. Why we attract the wrong people. 1. Low boundaries. If you're constantly putting others' needs before your own, you're sending the message that your time and well-being don't matter. 2. Unhealed emotional baggage. Past relationships, whether with family, friends, or ex-partners, can leave emotional scars. If you're not fully healed from those, you'll continue repeating similar patterns with new people. 3. Seeking validation. When you're always seeking approval from others, you may attract people who are only interested in taking advantage of that need. Statistics and facts to back it up. Here are a couple of facts that will make it clearer. According to Psychology Today, people with strong boundaries are 50% more likely to have fulfilling and lasting relationships. Harvard Medical School found that those with higher self-esteem are 70% more likely to attract positive, supportive relationships. So, if you want better people in your life, it begins with you. Practical tips to break the pattern. So, how do you stop attracting the wrong people and start attracting the right ones? It's simpler than you think. Let's go over a few practical tips that can help you make this shift. Tip 1. Set clear boundaries. Boundaries are not about being rude or selfish. They're about respecting your time and your emotional space. When someone disrespects your time or energy, be firm but polite. Let them know what's acceptable and what's not. Tip 2. Work on your self-worth. When you value yourself, others will take notice. Take time to reflect on your strengths, what you deserve, and why you should never accept less than the best in your relationships. Tip 3. Heal from past relationships. Healing from past relationships is essential. If you're carrying emotional baggage from toxic friends, family members, or exes, it's going to affect your future relationships. Take time to reflect, forgive yourself, and let go of any negativity that still lingers. Tip 4. Be intentional about who you surround yourself with. Stop settling for people who don't share your values or who drain your energy. You deserve to be around people who uplift, support, and encourage you. Final thought. Remember, you have the power to attract the right people into your life. By setting clear boundaries, working on your self-worth, and letting go of past emotional baggage, you can break free from the cycle of attracting the wrong people and start creating the relationships you truly deserve. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your life and relationships. Let me know in the comments if you've struggled with attracting the wrong people and what you're doing to change that.